Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are live from Vegas and past couple of videos also have been shot from Vegas. So we're expecting to make some money in options today so that later on we can go to casino and spend it. Haha, just kidding. Anyway, so the plan for today is this that we are expecting Nifty to move, Nifty to give us a good move. You know, the pre-opening price is around 25,180. What my plans are that if I get the prices go up a little here, and if it sustains this, so probably the target for us in the Nifty, if not today, maybe in a day or two, maybe 2-3 days, should be around this zone of 25,616. So that could be the target for us in Nifty. However, given that the prices should move above this support zone and sustain, so let's see how it goes. um, let's see. So yes, it is behaving like that, so let's go and buy this. Let's go to market. Okay, so should be good. Yes, it should be good. Okay, so we can ignore this one. So this is one of the older positions that I have had, and this was just for the experimentation, so we can ignore this. Our current position is this one, 25,350, 10th October Nifty call side, and we have 1150 as our quantity. And we just hope that this sustains above this. Yep, let's see how it goes. So currently what I'm expecting, or what I'm thinking, that how the market will go is, right now it's going down, but in some time this should move like this and eventually should take support from this and sustain above these levels. If that happens, that's going to be really good for us. So let's see. And one more thing, that even if not today, so if the prices does not move, like it, it does not go up to this level today, maybe in a day or two, I expect the prices to reach to these levels, given that the prices first start to sustain above this zone. I may add some more positions above these levels once I get a good confirmation that prices are willing to go above this, or at least stay above this. So from, I think it went up to negative 15% or so. So from that, currently we're seeing minus 7 to 8%, but it does not really matter, you know, until and unless we exit our positions. You just have to focus on the process, and for the process, you need to follow the charts. Adding a lot here. this level, 2500, 130 levels, because I think the prices might be near its support. And what I feel is that if not today, maybe tomorrow we may have some. So what could today be like? Prices could go like this, come a little up like this. Maybe it can move in a wave, and then on the 7th, which is the next trading day, the prices may move like this and then eventually up. So that is what I feel. So guys, as we had expected that the price may want to take a support from these zones, so what it did, it came down a little, and then it is currently forming a solid bullish candle. You see the candle is about to close, so the view is still intact. So from minus 20-30% to minus 8%, so from minus 40,000 to 15,000, still we are not closing the position. We will have to wait, and we will wait for the prices to close above this and sustain. However, I'm not expecting much up move today. The prices, even if it moves up a little, it may not go fully up. So it could be like this, then this, and then eventually taking the prices up. So that is what we expect. So guys, as we had expected that from these zones the price may take support and eventually the price will move upwards. However, what I think is that even though the price is moving up today, it might not go really up, and it might go like this and may come down, and tomorrow again it might come, or today by the end of the day it might come down again and then eventually start taking up. So I have two options here. The first option is that I hold the position and carry it, like I don't book anything at all. The second option is that I book somewhere over here, and if I see the resistance around 25 400 or so, then I book my profits, and then if the price retraces back to these levels, let's say, so then I wait for tomorrow, that is Monday, basically next trading day, and then I again enter the position if I get entry somewhere over here in this zone. However, it is also possible that if the price goes around these levels and then does not stop here but just goes up, then we might lose a decent amount of profit. But I mean, that's okay. We should be okay with whatever happens with the market. We can just try to put our best foot forward. So let's see how the day goes ahead. But that is what I have planned for today, that I might want to book at least some profits, or maybe book in full, because I don't think at once the market will be able to go all the way up to this zone. So let's see how it goes. One of the things about trading is that one has to be really disciplined, because trading is something, if you lack on the discipline part, you lose a lot of money. So I'll just give you an example. At this level I was around in the negative of 40,000. However, since I had confidence and I had discipline and I had my systems in place, I knew that the price would come up and eventually it will go up. Around this level we were positive 22,000. Yes, actually. Okay, so currently since the price has come down, but around this zone we were net 24,000 positive. Still I did not book because it has still not given me my at least minimum targets for today. So I can't do anything about it. So we have to ignore these fluctuations, from minus 40,000 to plus 22,000. to again 2000 or whatever. So this is not what should we focus on. The most important part to focus on is the process. We have to follow the process. We have to gotta have faith in it. And the second important part is this percentage change. Forget the absolute amount. I mean, for different levels or for a different value of investment, it could differ. But what's more important is the percentage change. How much percentage one clocks in. That is what more important is. So guys, as we see the charts, the price has uh, moved up. Let's take in support here, and we have also come out of losses, and we are around 40,000 profits. Now I might want to book some profits here, or maybe book total profits. And if I book total profits, maybe I'll wait on the next trade to come down, the prices to come down here and take some support. Yes, and then target for this zone. So these are the two options that I have. As of now, the price is moving up, but I think I might want to book some profits. Yes, I think I should. So let's take an exit here. Okay, since I have placed it. Okay, you've successfully booked the profit of around 52,875. Yes, that's a profit that we have booked today. So we have booked our profits somewhere over here, 25,336. 25,336, yes, that's where we have booked our profit. Now, even if the prices go up, we are totally out of the position. We don't have any position. But what I'm expecting, or what I would want in the market to happen is, I would want the prices to, maybe go up a little, and then from somewhere over this zone, I want the prices to retrace back to these levels. And if it comes back to these levels, and then on the next trading day, if it goes back again, then I'd like to go long with good amount of quantity. Yes, and the low of today, which is around 2592, should be kept intact. That way our entries will be safe. That is the plan. So let's see how the day further goes ahead and how the Nifty moves. So guys, as I had told you that I was expecting the prices to go up till here, and near these levels I'm expecting a small resistance, and the prices may come down again. So technically we are done for the day. Now I don't expect Nifty to give me big moves on the upside, at least for sure. Maybe it might want to come down until maybe up to here, maybe up to here. That we don't know where till what levels exactly it will come. But what the main point is, that you have to, or we have to, or one has to, basically one has to wait for his entry and exits, and one has to stay and trade according to the plan. If we stick to our plan, profits are going to be there today or tomorrow. We have to be like Dravid in cricket. We just have to stick to the levels. you know Recently there was this news about Iran and Israel war. I mean, it is good to have news, but what I focus, or what my specialty lies in, is basically charts. So I don't like to give a lot of attention to news and news trading. However, for someone it works, then it works. But for me, I think I would like to stick to my charts, and that is exactly what I've done today. I bought calls today, 1100 quantity, right? So had I been worried about, Iran and Israel war, then I would have not gone and bought 1100 quantity. That's a good amount of quantity. I'm not saying it's big, but yeah, at least for me, it's kind of decent quantity. So I stayed focused with my charts, and I in future also I like to do so. Now, coming on the major part, so today we are totally out of the positions now. So what I expect is maybe market may want to stay in this range today uh, by the end of today, that is EOD, till when the market closes. So this is the range that I'm expecting that market uh, will be in. However, on the 7th of October, which is the next trading day, that is Monday, what I'm expecting is if the prices come near these zones, so basically uh, in this zone, so I would want to go long up to these levels, and my stop loss would be, you know, below these, below this low. It may go once or twice, that's okay, but it should at least sustain above these levels. And yeah, and if the prices stay above this support zone, definitely we will be seeing a good move on the upside, maybe if not the same day, maybe in a day or two. So that's how my trade plan is for coming days. And as you can see, we have totally booked out all of our positions. And so this is the one that, yeah, this is the one that we bought today, calls for 25,350. It was slight OTM, 100 points OTM. But since I had confidence in my trade, I just wanted to, go for OTM, since I knew that, I would make profits, if not today, tomorrow. But market gave us decent level of profits today by reaching to the levels that we had expected. So quite happy about it. And let's see how the next trading session or the upcoming few days go, and if it goes according to our plan or not. And we'll only trade if it goes according to our plan. If not, we shall not trade. And if the market is not able to hold these levels, the low of today, and if it tries to sustain below this, then we might see a negative move also. However, it is very unlikely. I mean, nothing is impossible, but it is very unlikely. What I'm expecting is at least the markets will hold these levels and eventually will move upward, and in some days reaching probably these levels. So that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. I really appreciate your support. So do comment if you have any queries. Share this video with your friends who are into trading and would like to see such kind of videos. And also let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more of such videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.